Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the formula bar on your Excel mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to turn on or how to enable or how to unhide the formula bar on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. I just open a file which is you can just click on this setting option. So here the formula bar actually here. So if you click on any cell, click on this arrow option. If it is turned off, you will see this option. It's actually in the view section. If it is turned off like this, you just need to click on this turn on the formula bar. You just want to untick this, so which actually turn on the formula bar. So if some files will have missing this formula bar, so this the main reason that if the formula bar in the view section will be turned off. If it is turned off, you can just easily turn on the formula by clicking this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.